Considering Atlas HXM to hire someone in another country without opening your own legal entity there. That is what an employer of record, or EOR, does, and Atlas HXM is one of them. Before you sign anything, here is a data-backed, no-spin look at the score, the pricing, and the real catch. Every provider on EOR Select runs through the same model. 6 factors. 1 score out of 100, higher is better. Applied identically to every EOR on the platform. The data behind it is updated weekly on the website. Here is where Atlas HXM lands. Walking through the 6 factors from highest to lowest. Coverage comes first, then pricing, then compliance, then platform, then support, and finally reputation. That last one pulls from verified third-party reviews and real community sentiment, including the negative reviews. Now for what the score is actually built on. On support, look at what channels are available, the hours, and whether a dedicated contact is included. On security, check which certifications the provider holds. On integrations, see which tools connect directly. Those details are what push a subscore up or down. Here is the platform itself. These are real screenshots from the Atlas HXM product, so you can judge the experience before you ever book a demo. Pricing is where decisions get made. The EOR monthly fee, the contractor or payroll rate, and what is included at that price, it is all on screen. Compare it directly to what other providers charge for the same thing. Third-party ratings come from verified review platforms, not the provider's own marketing. The aggregate score and the review volume both matter, because a high score on 12 reviews means something very different from a high score on 1,200. So what are you actually buying when you go with Atlas HXM? These are the areas where the data shows a genuine advantage. Now the trade-offs. Every provider has them, and these are the ones the data and the community feedback flag most consistently for Atlas HXM. If the score or the pricing gives you pause, these are the closest alternatives. Each one carries its own score and starting price, so you can put them side by side right now. Here is the bottom line. Atlas HXM is a strong fit if you need broad country coverage and want a provider with a direct entity model rather than a network of local partners. If budget is your first filter, or you need a lighter, faster onboarding experience, the alternatives on screen are worth a serious look. See the full Atlas HXM breakdown, updated pricing, and the live comparison table at eorselect.com.